Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this meet, or Convoy, is the Kent modified coastal run. Aaron Wall's going to be there, who's doing loads of photography, and I think one of the magazines is kind of doing a promotion on this as well, which is quite cool. But anyway, there's going to be two videos. One's going to be like a cinematic, one's going to be me rambling on, because apparently you guys like me rambling on in like a vlog style format. So we're going to kind of mix them into two, if I can film both. I have been very ill the past day or two, so apologies if I look like crap, but I needed to make this Convoy, so here I am. So this is what we got. We've got the DC 3D Designs prototype camera mount, so I'm going to be filming kind of point of view driving from there. Hopefully you can enjoy that. We have Doritos. Everyone likes packet Doritos. This is the only thing I could feel like my stomach could hold without puking back up. I've got water. I've got a Coke Zero in case I'm feeling a bit spicy. Ooh. And I got Lucozade Original because apparently that's like an old school medicine. Basically. I don't even like the original flavour, but I bought it just in case. But yeah, we got that. We got tripods and everything else. First location, Devil's Dyke, and this is the kind of view that we have. Is that not an awesome view? Throughout the meet, ton of cars. I mean, it's going from here all the way along. And then you got this car, which is a Fiesta chassis with a Honda Type R engine inside it, which is interesting.
200 brake, you have to spend 3.5 grand.
So, regardless of the cars, the view up here is incredible. Never been here in my life, but I mean, like, it's proper cool. Just gonna run around some cars, show you some cars. So this is a Type R engine in a Fiesta. I think he said it cost him about 4.5 grand to get it up to this point. If you would have heard him drop down, I think I might have a clip of it. If I have, I'll insert it here. But if you hear the noise of this, obviously it's got VTEC on it, so it's just incredible. So we're on the move. Obviously we got Kent modified Fords here, really good turnout. So we've just been to Devil's Dyke, which is near Brighton, I think, about half an hour away. We're travelling to somewhere anyway. But it's really, really cool so far. The weather is holding off, so we had a good half an hour at Devil's Dyke. And obviously you'll see the footage and stuff, but the weather has held off until this point, which has just started to rain, so not too bad. Yeah, we just obviously on some country lanes now. Hopefully you guys can see it right. Obviously I haven't been able to set up this camera perfectly. But overall, wicked event so far. I'm actually really, really enjoying it. I just wish I felt a bit better so I didn't look like I was on death's door to every person that I spoke to, but overall, awesome so far. So we made it to the second place, Brighton seafront-ish. Brighton? I think it's Brighton. I mean, that's what we're looking at, there's Brighton Pier. And here's some Fords. So we've basically just taken the whole strip. Bit messy getting here. It was like 3 miles away and it took about 25 minutes, which is always fun. But yeah, here we are again. Aaron's doing some photography stuff, which is pretty cool. Hopefully we can get some good shots from him, but we'll see. So just doing a photo shoot of the Mark 7s now. But yeah, no, they're looking good. We are now basically, we've moved on from the beach. That was Seaford Beach. You saw some shots probably. Next place we're going to is a place called Burgess Gap, something like that. I think we're going kind of up to a nature reserve or like a cliff area. Should be pretty cool. Just getting some flybys of this this Fiesta with a Honda engine in it. Should be pretty cool. It's coming up now. So this is kind of how we're ending the day. We're having like a group photo of all the cars, but it looks absolutely amazing. Hopefully Erin gets some good shots of this, but it looks awesome. So we've got like Mark 6s on the sides, followed by Mark 7s, and then some stuff mixed in the middle. I think that looks so good. So we're going to quickly jump in this car. This is a VT330R tuned by Perron, and it's on their high boost map. I will do a full review of this car at some point, but for now we're just going to jump in it, have a little blast down that road and see how it pulls. Bloody hell. Ah, that was nice. Whoa. It's very cool. It's very cool. We're now in the K20 Mark 6 Fiesta, which I never thought I'd say, but we'll probably do a full review of this at some point, but for now you're just going to get a complete blast down this straight, which is absolutely amazing. Wow. So that was the K20 Mark 6. And that's the VT 330R Mark 7. So these are two cars, that's the K20 Mark 6 and that's the VT 330R Mark 7. But two different animals, but both incredibly quick. So these were the last ones standing. We came out to get rolling shots, but there was too many police cars and stuff, so we gave up. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching so much. So this has been the Kent Modified Ford Coast Run. Obviously you can follow Ben, I'll put his Instagram down there. Please follow Erin, he's over there somewhere. He does wicked photography. I'll have some pictures obviously going up on Instagram and stuff, and I'll make sure you guys see those because it's absolutely awesome. You've got Bumblebee, he's a really cool guy. You got Brian there. So they do stuff for charity and stuff. I think it's Club Awesome or something like that. So definitely check them out. Definitely worth doing because they support charities and basically go around and stuff. So these are a really, really good cause. But yeah, then there's everyone else. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.